The avian world is full of hidden surprises. From the elegant design of their feathers, to their astounding hand-eye coordination, to some of the most incredible courtship displays imaginable, many of the world's birds are staggeringly impressive. Like other birds that live in trees, parrots have a foot arrangement best suited for climbing tree trunks and through foliage. Their middle toes point forward and the outer ones point backwards, ideal for grasping, while waterproof feathers protect them from the downpours the tropics can bring. These colorful birds are vocal, gregarious, and highly social. Many flock together in great numbers, budgies doing so at the beginning and the end of their daily foraging. While budgies and most other parrots tend to team up to mate and form monogamous pairs, other birds try a different approach. The male Satin Bowerbird will try to mate with as many females as he can, and to do this, he needs to impress them. Selecting only blue items such as feathers, berries, bottle tops, and straws, he decorates his display area with precision and exacting care. The colorful display areas are at both ends of his bower, a curved wall design that runs north and south that he has woven with twigs and painted with saliva. It is with this prestigious design that he hopes to impress females enough to allow him to mate. Imposters are a problem. Any interference with his carefully laid out adornments is instantly rectified, and the bower restored to its owner's high standards. Cockatoos and other parrots do not build the elaborate displays of the bowerbirds. They don't need to try to attract as many partners, choosing instead to form a pair and stick together, preening each other to help strengthen their bonds. The amazingly strong curved beak of the parrot does much more than just crack into seeds and fruits. Grasping their feathers in their beaks, preening is a vital part of life. The contour feathers, needed for flight, have tiny hooked barbules that interlink and keep the feathers together. When preening, the full length of the contour feathers are run through the bill, engaging the hooks and bringing the barbs together, maintaining the exact shape of each feather. The boisterous rainbow lorikeets are some of the most sociable, noisy, and acrobatic of parrots, perhaps even more so than the budgie. These nimble multicolored gems are specialized feeders of floral nectars and soft fruits. Their tongues have a brush-like tip to help sup up such delights. Whether seeking out seeds, fruit, insects, or nectar, vision in birds is acute and eye, foot, and wing coordination is highly attuned. In Australia, most parrots have been found to be either left or right-footed when it comes to picking up food and grasping objects. With a brain twice the size of a duck's and a brain-body ratio that's comparable to some of the higher primates, the curious, social, bonding, noisy parrots are some of the most intelligent of all the birds.